Once upon a time, in the bustling little town of Scienceville, there lived a curious inventor named Sally the Scientist. Sally was known far and wide for her wacky and wonderful experiments that never failed to entertain and educate the local children. One sunny morning, Sally declared, "Today, I shall make an egg float in water." With her trusty lab coat and oversized goggles, she set forth on her quest, followed by giggles from the neighborhood kids who adored her whimsical ways. Sally's first attempt involved tying balloons to the egg, hoping it would gracefully rise to the water's surface. "Let's fly, little egg," she exclaimed. But instead, the balloons popped, and splash! The egg dipped right back down. Undeterred, Sally retrieved a miniature parachute, thinking it might gently lower the egg to float. With dramatic flair, she tossed it skyward. Alas, the egg simply plunked into the water, parachute and all. Next, Sally added a rubber duck to the mix. "Quack support," she giggled. But the duck floated solo, leaving our egg submerged. Finally, Sally remembered something about salt and density from an old science book. She asked the kids to add spoonfuls of salt to the water while she stirred enthusiastically. To everyone's delight, the egg began to lift and bob on the water's surface. With a triumphant dance, Sally cheered, "We did it! Science triumphs again!" The children clapped and laughed, learning a sweet lesson on density. And so, in the delightful confines of Scienceville, Sally the Scientist taught her young friends how sometimes scientific answers float right to the top. Sally waves goodbye, holding the rubber duck in one hand and pointing at the floating egg with the other. Background: Lab with a Science Rocks banner.